Did you know a sneeze can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour and release about 100,000 germs into the air? That alone makes it one of the most powerful reflexes in the human body. But why do we say, God bless you, when someone sneezes? Is it a tradition, superstition, or something more profound? Well, let's find out. Up next on the Why Report. Believe it or not, sneezing wasn't always considered just a minor bodily function. Ancient cultures had some pretty wild ideas about it. Some believed that a sneeze was your soul trying to escape your body. Others thought it was a sign of good or bad luck, depending on the time of day that you sneezed. The most popular explanation for God bless you takes us back to the 6th century and a nasty outbreak of the bubonic plague. Now, Pope Gregory I supposedly encouraged people to say, God bless you, after a sneeze. It was a symptom of the plague, and well, you needed all the blessings that you could get. But the connection between sneezing and blessings might be even older. Now remember, the soul escaping the body thing. Now, some cultures believed a sneeze created an opening for evil spirits to enter or for your soul to be snatched away. A quick God bless you was like a spiritual shield. Today, for most of us, God bless you is just a polite reflex. We might not believe our soul is escaping, but it's a way of acknowledging someone's sneeze and, in a small way, wishing them well. And those evil spirits trying to escape from your body, thankfully, most of us don't worry about demons flying in during a sneeze anymore. Though, if you've ever been trapped next to someone with a really bad cold, it may feel like it. It is interesting, though, that modern medicine has proven that some people sneeze when they look at bright lights. It's called the photic sneeze reflex, and scientists still aren't entirely sure why it happens. So, there you have it. The next time you say God bless you, gesundheit, or nothing at all after a sneeze, remember that you're participating in a tradition that's been shaped by ancient superstitions, plagues, and evolving social customs. It's a little reminder that even the simplest things that we do can have surprisingly complex histories. So let's debunk some of the modern myths. A popular myth suggests sneezing makes your heart stop for a moment, but medical experts have thoroughly debunked this idea. Scientifically, sneezing is a reflex, a powerful burst of air clearing irritants from your nose, sometimes reaching speeds of 100 miles per hour. Of course, not everyone says God bless you like they do in the United States. Cultural variations span from continent to continent, and everyone has their own way of addressing sneezes. Of course, Germans say Gesundheit, meaning health. In Turkey, you might hear live long and prosper, but Spanish speakers say salud, also meaning health. But in Japan, sneezes are often met with silence unless someone has a fit of sneezes. Then they might receive an acknowledgement. While bless you isn't exactly saving lives, it's a cultural habit that's endured for centuries. So the next time someone sneezes, think about the centuries of history behind those three words, God bless you. Rather it's superstition, politeness, or just a tradition, it's a small reminder of our shared humanity. So the question is, when someone sneezes, should you say God bless you or not? Well, the answer is entirely up to you. Rather it's a reflex, a tradition, or a polite gesture. It's one of those curious habits that connects us as humans. That's all for this episode of The Why Report, and a huge thanks for tuning in. Now, if you're fascinated by the origins of traditions, customs, and all things cultural, folklore, and myths, then you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and we've got plenty more historical mysteries to explore, and you don't want to miss it. And once again, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you next time.